hanalei no e ka oi.
That is the latest from Raiatea Helm. It's from the CD called Sea of Love. That one there is called Nani Hanalei. Wow, awesome music, sis.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
And so when you go out and perform this music now, I guess this was kind of an education for you into a new style of music. This is from the period of what? This style, the 60s?
Well, Harry B. Soria came to mind, and I know that he has so much knowledge in the history of Hawaiian music with territorial airwaves.
Right.
And I called him. I had this one song in mind, Na Molokama, that I first heard done by Leina Lahaile. That style, I wanted to do more because it was so upbeat and funky and just off.
Fun.
Fun. So fun. So I said, hey, Uncle Harry, you think you can, help me find some songs? And he grabbed like 50-something songs from like out of the boonies.
He will take you into a room and all of a sudden, yeah.
Oh my goodness, I learned so much. And he would say, oh yeah, by the way, that person did this. And the interesting thing is, a lot of these songs were sung by men.
Really?
Like Nani Hanalei, Aina o Molokai by Kai Davis. And, I never would have thought that I could, make
do those
justice. But I felt these songs and, it's so ono.
When you go out and do these live, though, you're going to have to take musicians that are mod to this style of music.
Yes, we got the guys, and thanks to Guy Sibilla, executive producer, for arranging.
I see the very talented Kit Ebersbach's name on there. Who else is on there?
Drums, vibraphone, marimba, no Okimoto. Drums, Stacey Tangonan. Jeff Peterson, lead guitar. And we had Bobby Ngannou on steel. Kit Ebersbach on grand piano. Dean Taba on bass. Ukulele by Brian Tolentino. Lopaka Cologne. And we even used the harp with Dean's wife, Shireen Taba. So it's a lot of, we got some really cool guys to make this music happen and have that feel.
So you're going to have to take a lot of these musicians live with you when you go out and play then.
Yes, that's why my next performance isn't until November.
Because it's practice time and getting everybody together.
Yes, and making sure we're all on island.
All right. Hey, we've got some phone calls here, and Hawaii 105 KINE. Hello, go ahead.
Good morning.
Hi.
I have a question for your guest today. I want to know if she's going to be performing anywhere soon.
Well, hey, I have a show at Chai's. November 17th.
Okay.
That's my next performance to feature the new music.
Oh, then I better make reservations.
Yes.
November 17th.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Aloha.
All right, another call here. Hello.
Oh, hi. Yes, hi. I'm calling you from Kauai. This is Melody Beamer. We so enjoyed the little talk between you and KTMB with Ms. Helm and her new album, Sea of Love.
Very good.
We understand about the bundle that she's doing with her beautiful bag Mele with the money going towards Japan, yeah? Can we get that on Outer Island, or where is there a store on Oahu so we can get the aunties to go and purchase some? It just said in stores. Would that be online? Any information?
Well, Melody, I teamed up with La Sports Sac Hawaii, and these bags are exclusive in Honolulu at the La Sports Sac locations.
Not on Kauai or the other neighbor islands.
They're in Ala Moana, the Royal Hawaiian Shopping Center, Waikiki Shopping Plaza, and the Hyatt Waikiki.
Okay, so they can come down here and get them. Now, I know we got 3 bags, and we've got the pictures on the Facebook.com/Hawaiian105 KINE page. Sis, congratulations to you.
Hey,
once again.
Thank you.
Sea of Love, brand new CD. It's available now in stores in Hawaii. It's also online?
Online, iTunes, Mele.com, Amazon.com. So spread the music. This is really fun to do, and I really like the old style.
Thank you so much for coming and spending some time with us on this Aloha Friday.
Thank you.
Raiatea Helm this morning on Hawaii 105 KINE. Get the brand new CD.